Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a watermelon. Let's draw and color together. It is super easy. First we draw the straight line like this. Then we draw a curved line. Very good. Another curved line. That's good. Then we draw some seeds like these. Very good. Then we use black marker. Very good. You did it very well. Excellent. Time to color. It is the fun part. First we use parrot color for watermelon rind. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Then we use red color for the main part. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Don't cross the lines. Like this. Very good. Like this. Very good. Then we use black marker for seeds. Like this. And there you have it. Your watermelon is ready. Allah Hafiz.